Since the Singer Simple 3337 came with a zipper foot, I'm going to show you how to use it. I know zippers are one of those things that people kind of shy away from. They'll look at a pattern and see that there's a zipper in it and then put it back. But please, you will notice that these days pattern designers know that putting a zipper in is actually not hard, and the pictures and the video tutorials will always help. So first off, you do want to be on a straight stitch with the center needle position. Set up a stitch length of 2.5, just like you'd be doing any normal sewing. But as you notice with the zipper foot, you can actually attach it on the left or the right. So normally when I sew, and by the way, I have a super long zipper. I'm always a fan of picking zippers longer than I need them for, especially for bags and things. After I sew them on, I cut them down to the size I need. So the zipper, I've got right side down on my fabric, and I want to show you that I'm going to want to stitch on this side. So when you see where my foot is going to be lined up, I can see that I need to attach it on the left side. Then when you put your foot down next to the zipper, you see that your needle is going to be nice and close to the teeth, but they are not going to interfere with any part of stitching through them. So I'm going to just stitch nice and close. Take a look. Flip that out. Normally this is where I would press it down. Now if I'm going to just put it in the same way where my zipper would be here and the bulk of my fabric is going to be to the left of the machine, I can see I am not on the correct side. So I can easily move the foot from the left to the right. I also, if the project wasn't huge, I could just stitch it. And I'm kind of doing a top stitching here, so you want to top stitch that down so it looks really nice and professional. Most of the time, you're going to have a lot more fabric than just a little square. So you're just going to take the foot, switch it over to the other side, and continue to stitch. So just remember, make sure you're not on a zigzag, decorative stitch, or a needle position off to the right. You do need to be right in the center needle position for when you use a zipper foot. And this is all you have to do. Your pattern will guide you for the next step for applying the fabric to the other side.